want to do is wash our hands, have clean hands. I put some foil over my little pan here, and I am going to, excuse me, cut open my little packs. This is so simple and easy, guys, and just lay my salmon right in here. And I'm going to do that with all 4 of my little salmon packs that I have here. And we are just going to place this in the oven on 400 and cook these for about 20 to 25 minutes. And if you guys already seen my video for asparagus, that's pretty much the same technique that I'm going to use for this recipe here. Some people they would cook their asparagus in the oven as well, but I like to cook my asparagus on the stove top because it kind of gives it that restaurant style asparagus where it's not overcooked and it still has a little crunch to it, and it's just delicious. So I'm going to put these in the oven on 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and I will see you guys back shortly. Alright, you guys, I apologize. I forgot to show you guys how I boil my asparagus, but I mean, it's pretty much I've added some water in there, put it on a medium low heat. I sliced the asparagus to my desired cut, put them in the water, let the water come to a boil, and boil them for maybe like 5 to 7 minutes. Take them off and dry them with the paper towel. So we are here. I got a little oil in here. I'm getting ready to season my asparagus. I have some Himalaya pink salt with black pepper and garlic that I'm going to sprinkle on my asparagus. And also a little bit of lemon pepper when I can find it. Okay, yeah, and a little bit of lemon pepper. And I'm just going to add them back to my skillet. And I'm only going to let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we are done. I will drizzle some lemon on top of them, and there's my asparagus. Look at that, just beautiful.